Hello, I'm Lohana, and this is a practice to help you calm your mind and return to the present moment. First, find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and gently allow your body to begin to slow down. There is nothing you need to fix right now, nothing you need to figure it out. Just notice that you've arrived here in this present moment. And if it feels comfortable, you can close your eyes or soften your gaze and slowly begin to disconnect. Disconnect from everything that came before this present moment. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the air coming in and the air going out. Just observe. Your mind might still feel busy with thoughts or worries, and that's okay. Don't judge yourself. Just let them go. You don't need to stop your thoughts. You only need to gently come back. And as you stay here, you may notice thoughts continuing to appear, and instead of following them, just let them pass. Like clouds moving across the sky. You see them, but you don't need to go with them. If you get caught in a thought, that's completely natural. The moment you notice, you are already returning to your breath, returning to this moment. Now, gently bring your attention to your body, starting with your feet. Just notice your feet right now, allowing them to relax, to soften. Your ankles, the same. Just relax. Your lower legs, allow them to relax right now. Letting go of any unnecessary tension. Your knees. If there is something in your knees, just relax. Your thighs. Feels like all of your legs are just relaxing. Allowing the muscles to relax. And then bring your attention to your hips. If there's something wrong, you just relax. Allow your ribs to relax right now. Your lower back feeling supported. And then go up your abdomen, softening with the breath, allowing to relax, no tension. Go to your chest, bring your attention there. Note the movement of your breath. And then go up. Notice your shoulders. Let them go of the weight you might be holding from your day or your week. Just let everything go right now. Just relax your shoulders. Let your arms relax and your fingers too. Your hands. Simply resting. Observe your neck and let go all of your tensions, the responsibilities, and then bring your attention to your face, softening the jaw, relaxing the eyes and the forehead too. And suddenly your whole body now is relaxed. It's more present now, more relaxed. And you notice how you feel compared to when you started. Maybe there's more calm or simply more awareness. And that's really enough. You don't need anything more from this moment. Slowly, you breathe in and breathe out. Begin to bring gentle movement back. Noticing your body again, moving slowly. And when you're ready, you softly open your eyes and take this sense of presence with you into the rest of your day.